Say hi to... Is Tex a good boy?
Come here.
Jason, you have to say hi to my friends and family again since it wasn't running.
Hey everybody. Hi Mom. Hi Tanya.
No.
Hi everybody else.
So, like I said, there's the ranch. Oh.
It's the Tsunami Safe House. Will Rogers actually started, I think he had a bunch of land that when he died became state park land. And then all the rest of this the government slowly bought over the years. And it became a state park. I think it was in, I want to say like 83, something like that. But it's, most of this area is the Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area. And then within that you have state parks. Like some of the beaches are state parks and a lot of the mountain land is. There's also Malibu State Park. And then over that way there's also the Paramount Ranch, which a lot of the studios owned ranches outside of town where they would film westerns and stuff. So, like, you've got the old western town over there, which
I'd like to go there.
where they filmed Dr. Quinn Medicine Woman. Dr. Quinn Medicine Woman.
Sorry, it's just I was going to fall off the edge here into the canyon.
There it is. Okay. Throw my conch for me, Mike.
Let me try that again.
Oh, yes.
Let's get the bug again. Since we missed it last time.
I don't know, maybe we got...
run-throughs of everything.
It is in good shape.
Little Herbie.
No rust like
Number
those
53.
like those Canadian cars with all that salt.
I know, it looks like this might be a little of a Bondo buggy though.
Bondo buggy.
Hear that noise? Hear that noise? Steel. Hear that noise? Bondo.
Oh.
Oh.
You're destroying my world.
Your dream.
Everything was great
You
before
had a
that.
dream.
Now I realize how corrupt the world is.
So, what was the time that was left on the...
Don't know.
Can you not tell by looking at the little counter in the corner?
Well, it says 7 minutes and 33 seconds.
What is that for?
It's counting down, though. So what does that mean?
Well, I don't know. It's your camera.
I guess now we only have 7.5 hours left.
Really?
You're gonna have to keep talking. Tex, you want some water?
Oh, man.
I got it in his nose.
Good boy.
Oh.
Cactus. Hello. You guys good guys? These horses look a little bit shy.
Beautiful horses.
Good
morning. That's where I'm going to bring an apple one of these days, I promise. I swear.
You know this one's name?
No.
He's a good horse. Let's keep going.
I got a lock on your wagon wheel.
Let's point out the scenery.
Alright.
What do we got over there? That's the valley, right?
That's towards Simi Valley.
Bye-bye, Jason.
Thanks for coming.
See y'all later.
It was great having you. Y'all come back now. Here.
Oh.
What a good boy.
That dog out of that goddamn movie. Get him out of the movie. You're fired.